babe.
Hmm?
It's so damn good.
Yeah? That's what's up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an epic outdoor video. We're going to be putting some fish on the grill and we're going to have a good time. The weather is beautiful outside. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, so we're just going to clean up the fish a little bit just to remove that extra scale. It's already clean, you know, but I'm giving it a second clean. Because you know, when you buy it at the supermarket, they don't clean it the way you want it, you know. So you got to go over it and remove that extra scale. I love the outdoors, you know, because, you know, it bring you closer to nature, man, you know. Look on all that scale. You see it? Scale that fly all over the place and then clean it. We're going to rinse this off a little bit in a second. I think that's good. Oh, there's still more. Still have a few more scale on it, you know, so remove that. All right, so now we're gonna score the fish. Just draw 2 lines through it like this. Slice it up. So we're going to season up the fish nice and proper, you know, season up the inside same way. Well seasoned. Yeah, man, come in closer so that we can see what going on. Salt Bay. The fish here got nice, you know. Nothing normal. You see the inside already? See that? So we're gonna drop in some pepper on the inside. Try to even it out. Pepper, garlic, you know, onion. Drop it on the inside like that. And then we're just gonna wrap it up, kind of slant it a little bit like this. Wrap them up. We'll add a little water to it. Steam it down, you know? Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, man, so right now we're gonna add some water to it. Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah. And this is gonna allow the fish them to steam up a little bit while they grill from the grill. You see me I say? Yeah man, make sure it's nicely secured, nice and tight. Yeah. So now we're gonna clean up the top of the grill, light it up, and then drop the fish on top of it. You see me I say? Yeah man. Add in the charcoal them. Time to light him up, you know. More fire, more fire. See it there? Let it burn. You see me I say? Yeah man, so we're just gonna give this a few minutes. Once it fully catch, then we're gonna drop on the fish and lower the grill. Yeah man. Yeah man, so we're gonna put the fish on the grill. And we're gonna let it slow roast, you know, for a few minutes, maybe about 15 to 30 minutes, because it was a little bit frozen on the inside earlier. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer than usual. Yeah man, so continue to watch the video. Yeah man, so we're gonna flip over the fish right about now. Careful. Yeah. Steaming hot. Yeah man, so the first side we have it on it for about what, 15 minutes, no? Yeah, about 15 minutes. Yeah man. Make it go and cook same way. Nice and hot. Yeah man, so we'll give about 15 to 20 more minutes, you know, until it fully cook, and then we'll start eat. Yeah man. Yeah man, so this is the finished product right here. Oh my god. It's steaming. Smell good, you know? Smell good. Oh god. Yes, I'm gonna go now a close-up look, you know, of the finished product, and then we're gonna start eat, and when you can watch the video, you see. Yeah, so we don't have any fork, guys, so we are using sticks, you know, outdoor style. Just make sure you rinse it out before, you know. Yeah, man. How is it? Good?
Delicious.
Yeah, man. Nice roast fish, you know. The only thing this need right now is some butter, you know. But like I mentioned earlier, this was a last minute, you know, thing, you know. We never really had think about doing a video or anything like that. This is fully cooked, you know, nicely seasoned, you know, and it's not dry or anything like that. You know, still juicy on the inside. So what do you think about the flavor?
Delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah, fully cooked.
Fully cooked.
And fish not stale, fish fresh.
Fresh, yeah man. It's not fresh catch, but you know, it's fresh. Got it at the seafood market a few days ago. Wow. This is how I like my fish. You know, season up on the inside, outside, you know, it's not raw or anything like that. So what do you think about the weather? The weather outside, weather nice, right?
It's sunny, but it's not hot.
Not hot, right? Not too humid, just perfect, just right. And just wanna big up all of my subscribers them same way. You know, each and every one, the ones that want comment, one them want just watch the video and don't comment. Big up on yourself same way. You know, really appreciate you guys. You know, continue to like up the video, share the video, and if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Alright?
babe.
Hmm?
This is so damn good.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's what's up. The spice is just right. Everything is perfect. You know, I couldn't have asked for a better way, you know, to season up the fish today and have it prepared. As you can see, guys, nothing on waste. All the fish head we are eating, man. Yeah, man. If you know, you know.